Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Today I'm at Enrique's again and I am going to wear the dress he gave me. So I'm excited. We're going to go to the beach. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're taking the public transportation today, and in LA there is this, let me pause, I'm listening to Willow Smith, her new album, and it's so good. If you guys haven't listened to it yet, you should definitely do that. I am from LA, but I'm from the Paramount area, and there's no train that connects, but they have like a metro system in LA that you can get to some places, like a good amount of places, if you're in the heart kind of LA. I heard it's decent, but it can be dangerous in the nighttime especially, but I mean all times of the day, because anybody can come in there. And in LA there's so much going on these days where it's not so safe, but it's kind of interesting to come back to your own home and feel less safe in your home country than you do abroad. Like, it's a bit of a, I've been having a lot of major reverse culture shock. I've been having major reverse culture shock, and a lot of things from even also being, I was for the longest time on another time zone and I was trying to adjust to this time. So yeah, I've been doing my workouts, and that's what I'm working on right now. I got my new workout clothes on from Walmart. So I'm doing my workout and listening to Willow, and we're gonna go out today, so you guys are coming with me.
It's your portrait painted when you walk. Mine is gonna go over there. And yours will go over there.
Down, I haven't even graduated this shit show.
This show is so good, the Coven. And this is good. It has hummus with spinach, and this bagel has like sesame seeds and like, I don't know if you call them poppy seeds or what, but they're so good. You guys, the graffiti here, I love it. Look, the whole wall is just graffiti. And look at Enrique's outfit. It's so cute, I love it. And there's this ice cream truck that's just sitting here. This is perfect for a photo shoot.
Marco's at.
Never taken the public transportation, so Enrique is showing me how. Okay, I'm gonna try for mine. It's gonna take me a lot longer than Enrique because he's used to doing this. So you know what time for.
Tap it.
Oh, tap it here?
Yep.
Oh, I see the store value. I'm gonna put what if I put a lot? Like, because I have $100 bill. I don't know.
It's not gonna
Can I take it?
do 40. I have cash. Go do 20.
Do 20?
Uh-huh.
I'll give you 20 at the store then.
Here you go.
Total value. good. Thank you.
Please stand clear. The doors are closed on.
Yeah.
The next stop is Jefferson USC Station. Exit here for Galen Center, Trine Auditorium, and USC Village. The Natural History Museum, the California African American Museum, the Coliseum, and USC.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Help us help you by keeping your valuables and money out of sight. Report any issues by calling Metro's Law Enforcement and Security Hotline at 888-950-SAFE.
Doors are closing.
The next stop is La Cienega, Jefferson Station, for school day service to West LA College. Metro, Big Blue, and Culver City bus stop. Now arriving.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Thanks for going Metro. The next stop is Westwood Rancho Park Station. Connect here with Big Blue Bus 8 and Rapid 12 to UCLA and Culver City Bus 3 to West LA College.
Stand clear. The doors are closing.
Welcome aboard the Metro Expo line. This train's final destination is downtown Santa Monica Station. Metro. Eating, drinking, and smoking on Metro trains or stations is not allowed. This is your system, so please help us keep it clean.
Please stand clear. The doors.
This is your Metro, so let's watch out for one another. Sexual harassment and other crimes will not be tolerated on trains or in stations. Please report any unwanted detention or other incidents by using the train intercom, calling our law enforcement hotline at 888-950-SAFE, or by speaking with any uniformed security personnel.
My first impression of the Metro is that it makes me feel like I'm in another country. And it's actually really convenient because, like Enrique was saying, you can actually take this all the way to the beach, so it's really nice. It's convenient and it's cheap. I mean, like, considering it's LA. Yeah, no parking.
Train goes. Exit here for Santa Monica Pier, Civic Center and Auditorium, 3rd Street Promenade, and Santa Monica Place. Connect here with Metro 534 to Malibu, Big Blue Bus 1 to Venice via Main Street, 3 towards Westchester via Lincoln.
The good thing is you don't have to scan your card out. I didn't realize there were places here that you can cross in the middle of the street.
A four-way cross?
Huh?
A four-way cross?
Yes, it's so weird. So we're in this store. Enrique, what is this store called? Oh, that's cute. What is this called?
All Saints.
All Saints. That would look so good on you.
But you know what? I cannot.
Why not?
Because
You're being good.
the Virgin of Guadalupe.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, you don't want to wear that. Yeah. You guys still have to see his earring. It's so cute. I love the cactus. This looks like a really cute store, like stuff from my style. Definitely my style.
That's good, but it's a family show. But that's how families get started. Guys are warmed up, they're shoulder to shoulder. Thank you for that. Now we can do the grand finale, the moment you've been waiting for.
We're in a sunglass shop.
I love the sheep. Like all the time. Like
These are cute. These are cute. Oh yeah, it's nice to have options. These are my favorite colors. I like these.
Yeah, you said REI something store, like REI auto store. Those are the syllables I heard. All good.
They have these scooters that you can rent. You just need the app and you just pay for them for a certain amount of time. I think that's so cool. At the Goodwill, checking out what they have. I got some stuff for my bathroom, a ring holder, and this vase. Oh, the air feels so good. You guys, I have to be careful because I can go crazy. This shop is heaven. Like, I could stay here forever. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's in a good spot too.
Let me see.
Let me see what it's called. Definitely very cute. That's my outfit of the day. It's super cute. Thank you, Enrique. Yay! This is Enrique's outfit. Super cute. Love it. This sewing machine wall is so cool. This is so tempting. It's all my style. I love purses and I love dresses. Oh, I love the prints. They're so nice. Oh.
Just say wash. Wash is a code word. I'm like, all right.
The pink sky, pink purple sky is California. It's so nice to see the sky like this.
Nobody like that.
It looks so good. It has like everything you need. Cucumbers, croutons, carrots, cheese. What kind of cheese did you put on it?
Parmesan.
Yeah, and mushrooms.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a good salad. Spinach and is it like a salad mix?
Spinach and then lettuce.
Yeah.
And I cut the
Carrots and cucumber. Look at that crouton, it looks so good. I haven't had croutons in a long time. And then focaccia. Yummy. It looks so good.
Just the hummus.
Hummus.
Oh, the pancetta.
Oh yeah. And then I got spinach dip with, I haven't had spinach dip in forever. Oh my goodness. What were, oh, pita chips, I think I got. This looks so good. I haven't had, I know spinach dip is probably like nothing special, but like every little thing is like, oh, exciting to eat. Cause you can't get these things just like easily abroad. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, if you would like to work, teach, or live abroad, check out my Skype consultations in the description box. If you would like to support my channel, be sure to check the link for my Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.